In May 2026, Africa gathers again. A new chapter begins under one banner. A call echoes across the continent. Sikaleli Africa, God bless Africa. One IIA, one Africa, one voice. A call to unite, to elevate, and to transform the future of the internal audit profession. Join us in Cape Town in May 2026, where cultures meet, where tradition and innovation blend seamlessly. This is where we gather to shape the future of internal audit in Africa. Together we forge a path of excellence, accountability, and innovation as one profession with one mission, one IIA. AFIIA 2026 isn't just another conference. It's Africa's premier gathering of internal audit leaders, professionals, and changemakers. It's where the profession's brightest minds meet to exchange ideas, learn from each other, and shape the future of internal audit across the continent. In Cape Town, a city rich with history, culture, and innovation, you'll experience a week like no other. World-class keynote speakers and cutting-edge sessions, engagement opportunities with IIA global leaders and board of directors, engagement opportunities with IIA SA board of directors, engagement opportunities with thought leaders and industry leaders, a celebration of African diversity, culture, and excellence, unmatched opportunities to network, collaborate, and grow, cultural experiences, live performances, and memorable moments. But it all begins with one step. You must register. Registration secures your seat at the most anticipated audit event in Africa. Don't wait for the change. Be the change. Don't just hear about it, live it. Don't miss history. Make history in Cape Town. May 2026. Register now and be part of one IIA, one Africa, one voice. The future of internal audit is here. The voice of Africa is strong. Are you ready to be part of history?